Look no further, you found the one. You'll love this 3-bedroom 2-bath home with huge fenced-in yard for family activities. Great house at a great price with a new AC and 5-year-old roof. Open floor plan perfect for entertaining with spacious living and dining. Updated custom kitchen with coffee bar and new backslash. Tile flooring in the main area and laminate in bedrooms. Updated guest bathroom and newer ceiling fans in living and bedrooms. Washer and amp, dryer will be included. Did I mention the new AC and the roof is only 5 years old? Don't miss out.